Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Bird Puzzle 11. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. The whole goal of this puzzle is to put these dots into our frame. We have 11 of them, we have 11 slots. Not too much trickery here, it's just we got different nubs and they fit in different orientations. And you'll have little spots left over here and there. So, to begin with, this is how you'll want your frame situated. You have these 3 chunkier bits aiming down. And then you got these 3 chunkier bits aiming up. So, to begin with, we'll take this one, and this almost looks like it has these bits evenly placed all the way around. I believe it actually does, if not very close to. Anyway, it can go into this space right here. Then, we'll take this one, which has nubs that look like they're at proper quadrants, and then it's missing the one. And we'll put him here. We'll take this guy, which is probably one of the closer ones to looking like a bird. And we'll just put him right here. Kind of like a spaceship, I guess. Got the 2 and then the one over here. We'll fit this here. We'll take this guy here. Kind of an off-center version of our spaceship thing, I guess. And we'll fit him here. We'll take this guy here. He's probably cross between these two almost. Pretty close. But he will go over here. This guy, the only place he can really go in this puzzle is right here. We will take this guy. Where does he go? Oh, he goes right here. I think. Does he go right there? No, he doesn't go right there. Oh no, where does he go? Oh no. Okay, he goes here. Right there. Take this guy from here. That guy here. And this guy here. Let that soak in. You can just probably skip to the end and pause it here and do it from this. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.